Hi, this is Avik from Cod's Gift in Dural. Today we are making black garlic loaf with lava salt using QBA ciabatta loaf. First we need to cut our QBA ciabatta loaf nice and thick. For the garlic butter, I'm using unsalted butter in room temperature, some parsley. For the garlic, we are using two kinds of garlic. The white ones are the confit garlic and these are black garlic, and this is very high in antioxidant. Mash it with the fork. Spread generously on the bread. Then pop it in the oven at 220 for 12 to 15 minutes. Cut it up. Sprinkle some black lava salt and it's ready. There you go. That's my take on traditional garlic bread. You can't go past that.